For edits, 10 minutes, one clear goal. Turn views into followers and money. I'll rebuild 4 viral formats inside Filmora and show exactly how each one can capture leads, attract sponsors, or sell a digital product without leaving the editor. Let's go. Here's the tiny folder that powers everything. A handful of AI frames for a micro drama. One static map screenshot, a CSV with sample data, a one-line title, and my free starter pack presets and captions I'll often use to capture emails. If your assets look messy, don't worry. My desktop looks like a Jackson Pollock painting too. So art with panic. Drop the AI stills on Filmora timeline in story order. We'll turn them into living shots, stitch a 15-25 second micro drama that people watch to the end, and also share it. Step number 1, animate the stills. Use Filmora's AI image animator to add subtitle camera moves and ambient motion. Cinematic glide, not earthquake. For step 2, smooth continuity, longer beats. If a shot ends too soon, like my New Year's resolution, use AI video extender to hold a few more seconds. It's perfect for breathing room before a transition or a punchline. Step 3, polish the cut. Light zooms, gentle crossfades, a tasteful whoosh. Keep beats musical. Growth play. At the end, I tease a free AI prompt pack, link in description. That freebie builds my list, which sells my $9 story pack on autopilot. Drop in your map, draw or import a thin line path, add a plane, pin, sticker, and animate with keyframes. Refine motion with path curves so it eases like real travel. Optional, if the map pans, use motion tracking so the sticker sticks to the route. This format is a magnet for affiliate links. My camera bag or travel application in description. I also offer a free route overlay pack to capture emails, then pitch a $15 map motion presets pack. If brands like the look, this clip doubles as a UGC sample for paid travel posts. Now, my real travel paths zigzags between landmarks and coffee shops. I call it the caffeine spline. For results videos, budgets, top 5 lists, import a CSV and auto-generate animated charts, bar, line, pipe, donut, column right on the timeline. Brand colors, labels, and time the rise to your video. Import CSV, pick a chart style, map columns to label values, set the duration to match the story beat, add a tiny impact sound on the peak. Note, charts scream credibility. I use them to package a one-page case study reel and pitch editing services or sponsorships. Freebie is a chart template. Upsell is a $29 case study reel kit with fonts, timing marks, and sound hits. You have to build a reusable opener with dynamic captions, strong font, dial-in tracking, pick your in and out animations, and punch keywords on the beat. You also add letterbox bars and a soft vignette for the film look. Bonus, need subtitles fast? Use auto caption and style them for shorts and reels. A branded opener lifts recognition and retention. I give away a free title starter pack and pitch a caption style pack, right? So better retention boosts watch time, better reach, more followers. Switching fonts counts as cardio. if your heart rate spikes. Here are the 4 finals side by side. Export a 19 by 16 cut for short-term reels, maybe TikTok. Now the posting plan that turns views into followers and dollars. So first, hook first line promise outcome. Watch me turn a map into money in 30 seconds. 1 clear call to action per post. Freebie, then email, low cost ticket or affiliate. Then you can pin a comment with the freebie link or a 1-line benefit. Thumbnail and tag that matches the hook, no bait switch, okay? So real thumbnail. Community ask, common prompts, map chart title to boost engagement and signals, right? And for description, you put the affiliate and short disclosure. You can add chapters on long form. For cross post, recycle edits across platforms, change the hook and caption to fit the feed. Hashtag examples, hashtag creator economy, hashtag make money editing, hashtag YouTube growth, hashtag video editing, hashtag AI editing, hashtag Filmora, and hashtag Filmora 15, of course. Don't forget to grab my free starter pack, prompts, route overlay, chart template, and title styles. Link in description. And if you want the full packs or my presets, they are below too. Follow for weekly Filmora builds that grow followers and revenue. And tag at Filmora Wonders here. They often spotlight creators and run promos. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.